Troubleshooting common issues with heating and air. One day a heating and air system will be invented that will run forever without the slightest problem. Until that time, we have to make do with what we have. Let's face it, though, what we have is pretty good. As long as you can afford to install a decent system and pay the electric bill, you never have to spend a single night sweltering from the heat or shivering in the cold. That is, until that precarious system stops working. Then you have to scramble to get a professional out to fix it. Before you do so, here are some troubleshooting hints that may allow you to get things working again a bit more quickly. Unit not working. It's a bad feeling when your unit stops. You wake up an hour or so before your alarm goes off in the morning, wondering why you're suddenly so hot. Or maybe you come home from a dinner out to realize your house is a bit colder than you would have preferred. You walk over to the thermostat and realize that your heating and air system isn't working at all. Here are some things you can check before you head to the phone. First, make sure electricity is getting to the system. Check your circuit breaker box, or fuse box, to see if anything has been blown. Check to make sure the thermostat is set correctly and has power. No heat. When the weather starts kicking up a cool wind outside, you want to make sure your heating and air system can provide you with warmth when you walk through the door. If your system isn't providing heat, here are some things you can check. Start with the thermostat. Someone may have changed your preferred settings or turned it off altogether. If there is a reset switch, you may try pressing it. If it is snowing outside, make sure snow has not accumulated against the outdoor unit, preventing it from working properly. No AC if the unit itself is working, but you're not getting cold air out of the vents. There are a few things that could be wrong that are easily fixable for the average homeowner. First, if cool air is coming out but your home isn't improving its temperature, make sure it isn't escaping through open doors or windows. Once again, check your thermostat and make sure it is set correctly. Take a look at your filter and see if it needs to be changed. If it is clogged, you may not get the efficiency you need out of your heating and air system. A Toledo heating and air specialist can help if your unit is not working properly. Take a look here, http://www.onehoureheatingtoledo.com. Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Aaliyah_Arthur/663273